What's up, guys? Welcome back in your favorite health and wellness channel, where we bring you the latest health tips and tricks. Today, we will talk about an incredibly simple and effective way to transform your health. We're talking about drinking lemon water in the morning for 2 weeks. Then what will happen? This habit is easy to incorporate into your daily routine, and it can have a profound impact on your well-being. Stick with us as we explain how this small change can lead to extraordinary results that will amaze you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's start with the most exciting benefit: weight loss. We know that's what you're all here for. Drinking lemon water in the morning can help speed up your metabolism and aid digestion, which can lead to weight loss over time. And who doesn't want to shed those extra pounds? But wait, there is more. Because weight loss isn't the only benefit. Now, let's talk about those pesky colds and flu that ruin our days. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which can boost your immune system and help fight off illnesses like the common cold. They also contain antioxidants that can help prevent cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. So, not only will lemon water help you look great, but it will also make you feel great. Now, let's talk about the real game changer: clearer skin. Drinking lemon water can do wonders for your skin, leaving it radiant and refreshed. The vitamin C in lemons is essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin young and supple. Plus, lemon water can help detoxify your body, giving you that healthy glow you have always wanted. Say goodbye to blemishes and hello to flawless skin. Let's not forget about hydration. We all know how important it is to drink enough water, but it can be tough to stay motivated. That's where lemon water comes in. Adding a slice of lemon to your water can make it more appealing and help you drink more. Plus, you'll get all the added benefits of lemon water. Our ending remarks. So, there you have it, folks. Drinking lemon water in the morning for 2 weeks can have a massive impact on your health and well-being. From weight loss to clearer skin, the benefits are undeniable. We hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more amazing health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.